Hi everybody. So I wanted to show you guys how to get seeds for basically free. I've seen that there's been some stores around the United States that are not selling seeds anymore, and I do believe that there's a lot of ways that you can get seeds. And so this is an organic red pepper that we just bought from the grocery store. So after peeling it and opening it, there's still some in here. I would just set them aside on the plate. They're just stuck to the inside of it, and you can rub them off so you're not picking at them and they come off. Or something else that you can do is just put this down in there, and when they become dry, then they can brush off and they won't stick to your hands. But there's at least a pack worth, maybe even two, of seeds in each pepper. So if you just take different vegetables, take the seeds out of them. You can even do this with the GMO seeds. It doesn't matter. Or vegetables like this. If you just brush down, they come off. But I'm just gonna actually just let this dry out for until tomorrow, and once it's dried out tomorrow, I'll just brush them all off and then try to get as much of this off as possible. And when these are dry within 24 hours or so, I will show you guys how I store them so that they don't become ruined.